Hey everyone, welcome back to Edu Expert, your smart learning hub. Today, we explore Colombia's magical Caño Cristales River, famously known as the River of Five Colors. Caño Cristales River, famously known as the River of Five Colors, or the Liquid Rainbow, is a breathtaking natural wonder located in the heart of Colombia. This river is renowned for its vibrant, multicolored waters, which shimmer in shades of red, yellow, green, blue, and black. The stunning colors are primarily caused by a rare aquatic plant called Macarenia clavigera, which thrives during specific months and transforms the river into a living rainbow under the sunlight. The best time to witness this magical phenomenon is between July and November, when the river is at its most colorful and vibrant. Surrounding the river are lush forests, unique rock formations, and diverse wildlife, including birds, monkeys, and countless aquatic species. Caño Cristales is not only a visual marvel but also an ecological treasure, representing a delicate and unique ecosystem that has remained relatively untouched by human activity. Tourists who visit this hidden gem are encouraged to follow eco-friendly practices to preserve its natural beauty. Beyond its colors, the river carries local legends and folklore, adding a layer of cultural richness to its natural charm. Truly, Caño Cristales is a place where nature's artistry and biodiversity coexist in perfect harmony, captivating all who are fortunate enough to witness it. Caño Cristales River is located in the Serranía de la Macarena mountain range, in the Meta department of central Colombia. This region is a fascinating ecological transition zone where the Andes Mountains, the Amazon rainforest, and the Orinoco Plains all converge, making it one of the most biodiverse and unique landscapes in the world. The river itself stretches for about 100 kilometers, winding its way through rocky terrains, waterfalls, and natural pools that look as if they were painted by an artist's brush. The surrounding geography is equally enchanting, with dense tropical forests, tall cliffs, and vast savannas that provide a stunning backdrop to the colorful waters of Caño Cristales. One of the most striking features of its geography is the natural rock formations, some of which are estimated to be more than 1.2 billion years old, among the oldest exposed rocks on Earth. These ancient rocks give the riverbed its distinct character, helping the aquatic plants display their vibrant colors as sunlight reflects off the crystal-clear water. The location is also relatively remote, which has helped preserve its pristine beauty. To reach Caño Cristales, most visitors travel to the nearby town of La Macarena, accessible by small aircraft from Bogotá or Villavicencio. From there, guided tours are required to explore the river and the surrounding Serranía de la Macarena National Park, ensuring that tourism remains eco-friendly and sustainable. The unique geography of Caño Cristales is not just about its stunning views, but also about its role as a natural bridge between different ecosystems. It connects the highlands, jungles, and plains of Colombia, making it a true crossroads of biodiversity. This blend of landscapes and ecosystems is what makes the river's location so extraordinary, elevating it from a simple waterway to a global natural wonder. Caño Cristales is often called the River of Five Colors, because of its incredible spectrum of red, yellow, green, blue, and black shades that appear during specific months of the year. The secret behind this natural rainbow lies in a rare aquatic plant known as Macarenia clavigera. Unlike algae or moss, this plant requires a perfect balance of sunlight, water level, and temperature to flourish. When conditions are just right, usually between July and November, the plant turns a brilliant red, and together with the surrounding golden sands, green mosses, deep blue waters, and black rocks, the river transforms into a dazzling display of colors. The clarity of the water plays an important role as well. Caño Cristales is exceptionally transparent because it lacks mud and sediments, allowing sunlight to penetrate directly to the riverbed. This creates a striking contrast between the colored plants and the crystal-clear current. The river's bed, carved from ancient rock, enhances the reflection of these vibrant hues, making it appear as though liquid rainbows are flowing over the stones. This phenomenon is not seen anywhere else on Earth, which is why scientists and travelers alike call it the most beautiful river in the world. Beyond its beauty, the unique ecosystem of Caño Cristales is fragile and must be carefully protected. Strict regulations ensure that visitors cannot use sunscreen or insect repellents in the water, since even small amounts of chemicals could harm the delicate Macarenia clavigera. Thanks to these protections, the river continues to dazzle visitors with its natural artistry, offering a surreal experience that feels like stepping into a living painting. Caño Cristales is not only famous for its rainbow-colored waters but also for the rich wildlife and unique ecosystem that surround it. Located in the Serranía de la Macarena National Park, the river lies at a meeting point of three major ecosystems: the Andes Mountains, the Amazon rainforest, and the Orinoco savannas. This rare intersection makes the area one of the most biodiverse regions in the world, where countless species of plants and animals thrive in harmony. The forests around Caño Cristales are home to hundreds of bird species, including toucans, parrots, and the majestic harpy eagle. Monkeys swing through the treetops, while capybaras, tapirs, and even jaguars roam the dense jungles. In the skies above, vibrant butterflies and dragonflies add to the river's colorful charm, perfectly complementing the spectacle in the water below. The river itself, despite being crystal clear, supports aquatic plants, small fish, amphibians, and countless insects, creating a delicate balance that sustains life in the region. What makes this ecosystem truly special is its fragility. The species here have adapted to a very specific environment, and even small disruptions could impact the natural balance. For this reason, Colombia has implemented strict conservation laws. Visitors are guided by eco-tourism rules, such as not swimming in certain areas, avoiding chemicals like sunscreen, and respecting wildlife habitats. These protective measures ensure that the breathtaking beauty of Caño Cristales remains untouched and that the river continues to flourish as both a natural wonder and a sanctuary for biodiversity. It is not just a river but a living, breathing ecosystem that showcases the harmony of life at its finest. Tourism at Caño Cristales has grown rapidly over the years, as travelers from around the world seek to witness the breathtaking beauty of Colombia's River of Five Colors. However, reaching this natural wonder is not as simple as visiting a regular tourist spot, and that is part of what makes the journey so special. The river is located near the small town of La Macarena, deep inside the Serranía de la Macarena National Park. Most visitors arrive first in Bogotá, Colombia's capital, and then take a short flight to La Macarena. From there, local guides lead tourists on small boats, jeeps, and hiking trails to reach different sections of the river. This adventure-filled journey adds to the excitement and sense of discovery. Tourism here is strictly eco-friendly, with a focus on preserving the fragile ecosystem of Caño Cristales. Visitors are only allowed during specific months, usually between July and November, when the river shows its most vibrant colors. Swimming is permitted in certain designated areas, but tourists must follow strict rules. No sunscreen, insect repellent, or littering is allowed, as even the smallest chemical can harm the delicate aquatic plants that create the river's colors. For many travelers, visiting Caño Cristales is more than just a sightseeing trip. It is a spiritual experience, as the untouched landscapes and dazzling waters create a feeling of being in a magical world. Local communities in La Macarena also benefit from tourism, offering eco-lodges, guided tours, and cultural exchanges that support both the people and the environment. In this way, Caño Cristales is not only a natural wonder but also a model for sustainable tourism, where human curiosity and environmental protection coexist beautifully. Beyond its breathtaking natural beauty, Caño Cristales also reflects the culture and traditions of the communities living nearby, especially the people of the small town of La Macarena. These local communities have lived in harmony with the river and the surrounding jungle for generations, respecting its sacred value and preserving it as part of their heritage. For them, Caño Cristales is not just a river but a source of pride, identity, and spiritual connection with nature. Many locals refer to it as a gift from the gods, and their folklore is filled with legends about the magical origins of its colors. The people of La Macarena play a key role in maintaining eco-tourism in the region. Most visitors are guided by local men and women who work as tour guides, boat operators, or eco-lodge hosts. This provides economic opportunities for families while encouraging younger generations to value and protect their natural environment. Tourists can also experience local traditions, such as tasting Colombian dishes, listening to folk music, or buying handmade crafts that reflect the vibrant spirit of the region. These cultural exchanges allow travelers not only to see the natural wonder of Caño Cristales but also to understand the lifestyle and resilience of its people. Importantly, the community has embraced sustainable practices to ensure tourism does not harm the fragile ecosystem. By working with government agencies and environmental groups, locals have become guardians of Caño Cristales, balancing tradition, livelihood, and conservation. This unique connection between the river and the people makes visiting Caño Cristales more than just a journey to a colorful paradise. It is also a chance to discover a culture deeply rooted in respect for nature and community strength. Caño Cristales is not only admired for its natural beauty but also surrounded by fascinating facts and myths that make it even more enchanting. One of the most interesting facts is that the river's magical colors appear only during a short season, usually from July to November. Outside of these months, Caño Cristales looks like a normal river, which adds to its mystery and uniqueness. Another fact is that the river contains almost no fish because of its unique chemical balance and lack of sediment. This has allowed the rare aquatic plant Macarenia clavigera to flourish without much disturbance, creating the spectacular rainbow effect. In terms of mythology, the indigenous people of the region see Caño Cristales as a sacred place. According to local legends, the river's colors were a gift from the gods to remind humans of the beauty and balance of nature. Some stories say the river is a gateway to paradise, while others describe it as a piece of the rainbow that fell from the sky. These myths have been passed down through generations and still influence how local communities protect and respect the river. Another fascinating fact is that Caño Cristales remained hidden from the outside world for a long time due to decades of conflict in Colombia, which kept travelers away. It was only in recent years that tourism opened, and now the river is considered one of the world's top natural wonders. Many travel magazines, documentaries, and photographers call it the most beautiful river in the world, and scientists continue to study it as a one-of-a-kind ecosystem. Together, these facts and legends make Caño Cristales not only a destination for the eyes but also a place of imagination, mystery, and wonder. Experiencing Caño Cristales through a visual tour or drone footage is nothing less than breathtaking. From above, the river looks like a flowing rainbow cutting through the lush green forests of Serranía de la Macarena. Aerial drone shots reveal the dramatic landscapes, winding streams, waterfalls cascading down ancient rocks, and natural pools glowing in multiple colors. The clarity of the water combined with the bright red of Macarenia clavigera plants creates a surreal scene that almost looks painted, yet it is entirely natural. Drone footage captures the river in ways that are impossible to see from the ground. As the camera glides over the sparkling water, viewers can see the contrast between deep blue pools, golden sandy patches, and the vibrant red and green tones that give the river its nickname, the liquid rainbow. Close-up shots of the water's surface highlight how sunlight dances on the colors, making them shimmer like jewels under a tropical sky. The surrounding jungle adds to the magic, with its dense canopy and occasional glimpses of wildlife moving freely in their natural habitat. For travelers who may not be able to visit in person, high-quality visual tours offer a chance to experience Caño Cristales almost as if they were there. These cinematic views have been featured in documentaries, nature films, and travel vlogs, inspiring countless people to dream of seeing the river in real life. Whether seen on screen or in person, the visual journey across Caño Cristales feels like stepping into a world where nature itself has become an artist, using water, plants, rocks, and sunlight as its canvas. Caño Cristales, while celebrated as one of the most beautiful rivers in the world, is also one of the most fragile ecosystems on Earth. The very plants that give the river its stunning rainbow colors, Macarenia clavigera, are extremely sensitive to environmental changes. Even small amounts of pollution, chemicals, or excessive human activity can damage their growth and dull the river's vibrant colors. For this reason, Colombian authorities and environmental groups have put strong conservation measures in place to protect Caño Cristales. Tourists visiting the river must follow strict ecotourism rules. Sunscreen, insect repellent, and soaps are completely banned because their chemicals can harm the delicate aquatic plants. Swimming is allowed only in certain designated areas, and always under the supervision of local guides. In addition, the number of visitors is carefully regulated to prevent overcrowding and minimize human impact. These policies ensure that while people can admire the beauty of Caño Cristales, they also contribute to preserving it for future generations. Climate change also poses a serious threat. Changing rainfall patterns and rising temperatures could alter the balance of water levels and sunlight that the plants depend on. Local communities and international organizations are working together to monitor these changes and protect the ecosystem through awareness campaigns, research, and sustainable practices. Ultimately, Caño Cristales is more than just a tourist destination. It is a symbol of how delicate and valuable natural wonders are. Protecting this liquid rainbow requires respect, responsibility, and cooperation between visitors, locals, and conservationists. Only then can this river continue to shine as a jewel of Colombia and a reminder of nature's artistry.